Hey friends, Cherie here. Welcome back to the channel, Cherie's Alchemy Shop TV, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 16. We're here to look at another unboxing of fabric. These are fabrics that I selected again to mostly sew up for my handmade business for spring and summer items. And again, as always, some yardage will be available in the fabric Etsy shop, which is linked in the bio, and I'll try to remember to put a link in the description box. But these prints are reprints of some of Fassett's most popular prints from the archives. And so the collection is actually called Kaffe from the Archives. And I didn't I didn't purchase all of the prints just yet because there are a lot. And I want to be a little bit more intentional about the exact prints I'm going to be bringing in to the handmade shop and the fabric shop in 2026. And so in previous times where I would just get the whole collection to have it complete, but then there would be some that even like for me, I didn't necessarily want to sew something with that. So in 2026, I'm going to try to not do that as much, though sometimes it's good to have the complete collection, but I feel like that's what the fat quarter bundles, the other pre-cuts will be for me. So anyway, I pulled, I think like 8, we'll see as we go through, of my favorite ones that I knew, okay, I know I want to make something with those. And so we're going to look at those right now. And then I did already go back and did like another selection of prints. I'm not sure when they're going to come in, but you'll see them when they come in. But anyway, that's enough of my thought process for selecting the fabrics that I wanted from the archive collection. So this first print we're looking at is called Floral Dots. And it is just what it says, floral with dots. And again, I love this color combination. I love that dot that's in the background. And this is a new to me print for K Fassett. I've never made anything with this particular print in previous years. I'm not sure which year this particular print, was released in. I'm not sure if this is a recoloring. This is a totally new to me floral and dot print. And I love it. And I think I got it in another colorway. But this colorway of the floral with dots print is the blue colorway. And again, it's just, I love this color combination. The second print that I collected is called Floral Dance. And again, it's just a beautiful combination of colors. I love the summery vibe with the orange and the pink and the purple and the yellow and the green. Very pretty. And this colorway is the magenta colorway. And again, this collection is all 44-inch wide quilters cotton weight printed fabrics. And so again, because it's printed, you do have a clear wrong side on these fabrics, and there is no stretch. Okay. The third print I picked up is called Potentilla, and the colorway is brown. And I just thought that was an interesting floral design. I like the color combination, especially for fall also. It's kind of it's not showing as orange as it is on the camera right now. It has a little bit more of an orangey brown tone. Let me get a piece of white paper. See if I can balance that out better. Yeah, there we go. So this right here is actually the truer color of this fabric. So you see it has kind of has the brown mixed with like a pale orange, a little bit of like a euchre color, there, a deeper orange, some turquoise, purple, and this is kind of like a grayish black background in there. So again, this is Pointilla, is the print, and the colorway is brown. Okay, the next 4 prints I got to use together in a patchwork, just some coordinating items for spring. I love the colorway on this, and I love this print. If you've been with me for a while, I'm also an avid gardener, and so I had to pick up this print here. This is Swiss chard printed. I just think that is so cool. And so anyway, this print is called Chard, and the colorway is pastel. And this just made me smile. It made me smile. And of course, I'll be making some things for the handmade shop at home with Cherie, using this chard print for sure. I mean, I'm going to be using all of these, but This is just, I think this is so delightful for spring. And so, yeah, charred in the colorway pastel. And I'm just going to keep this up here while I show you the next the next 3 fabrics so you can see how they all tie in together. Okay, so this print here is paisley stripe. This is one of my favorite paisley prints from the Kaffe Archives collection. And so, yeah, I just think these colors are so perfect for spring. The colorway on this one is lavender. And if we look at these with the ruler grid, the stripes on these are about almost exactly an inch, a little bit bigger than an inch. So I think that's a really cool print. The third of the 4 prints that I picked up to mix and match together is called Samarkand, and the colorway is stone. And again, I just thought this was just such a pretty color palette for spring. You have, you know, of course, kind of your lavender. You have some shades of green, some shades of blue, some shades of pink, some shades of yellow, some shades of purple, but they're all kind of muted tones. And I think it's just really, really gorgeous. And the 4th print that I got to mix and match for this little spring pastel collection is another Pontella print, and this colorway is blue. So you have like periwinkle, a little lavender purple, and some orange mixed together in this colorway. And so let's look at these 4 together. You can see why I pulled them. I think they work really nicely together. So you can see here. And so I'm probably going to go through and pull another few, probably another 2 or 3 accent prints to mix and match in here. Maybe a solid, maybe some dots, maybe some stripes. I don't know, especially if I decide to do a quilt or if I will mix them with these to kind of balance out all the prints. We'll see. I don't know exactly what I want to make. Well, I have a few things that I know I want to do with the individual fabrics, but as far as mixing them together, you know, I'll pull out my ideas book and figure out something to make. Okay, and the final 2 prints that I got are up next. I have this Pontella print in a 3rd colorway. This is the red colorway. And you can see here it has a little bit of purple, a little bit of pink mixed in here. Really, really pretty. Pontella in red. And the final print I have to share for now is the floral with dots print again, and this colorway is red. You can see here, you know, it has pink and red and orange shades with an olive green background, and I just think this is a stunner. This is my favorite. Well, y'all know I love red. So this is the one that I'm probably going to make myself something with to wear. I should say that. And so, yeah, looking forward to sharing that with you all as well. And so that wraps up a really quick peek at a few of the prints that I picked up from the Fassett Archives collection. I hope you enjoyed this video unboxing. Take good care. Bye.